Kurenai. From about 800 years ago, many swords have been made by craftsmen for samurai, and even today, it is the best cutlery town in Japan. From this land that has produced the best swords, we created real kitchen knives and trying to deliver to the world. The kitchen knife's name is Kurenai. The carefully made Japanese kitchen knives show an unmatched sharpness. The blade's sharpness brings enjoyment in cooking, and believe it or not, cutting with a sharp knife helps preserve the freshness and affects the flavor of ingredients, so it can ultimately change how the food tastes. By making the food, which is essential to our daily lives, more enjoyable and pleasant, we can enrich our lives and enrich our surroundings. Kurenai is a true made-in-Japan kitchen knife with a focus on the essentials. It's not one of those mass-produced knives with a fancy design that deceives consumers. Kurenai is made in Seki, a famous place for swordsmithing in Japan. Each blade is carefully finished to 0.001mm precision by craftsmen by hand, which is impossible by machine.
Hi, I'm Toru Ueda, CEO of Dozo. Kurenai is produced by Dozo, my fantastic team based in Japan. We are here to bring the very best and wonderful Japanese product to the world. Japan's population is aging fast. There are many industries where traditions and culture that have been passed down from generation to generation. They are facing skill succession challenges. The kitchen knife industry is also one such industry. We would like to pass on to the next generation the wonderful and very valuable Japanese kitchen knives that have their roots in the samurai sword. We want to bring the real made in Japan to the world, revitalize and grow the Japanese kitchen knife industry, and make cooking around the world more and more enjoyable. By simply enjoying authentic Japanese kitchen knives at home, we can play a vital role in passing on the legacy of our craftsmen to future generations. We are looking forward to having your support in this meaningful endeavor.